Good morning, everyone. Riley Foster here. Hey, after Friday afternoon, we've got a huge sleet or hailstorm, and I wanted to do this is Sunday morning. After all that green you see there is leaves out of the trees, but these were my bean plants, and it just, well, it hammered them. Sleet, hailstones, whatever you want to call it. Now, I'm not going to till them under and start over, because I think they're going to come back. But some of them definitely took a beating. Yeah, and I can't believe these guys actually had leaves left on them. They're about 6 inches tall. And the other one's just up through there. I mean, they're still standing. And these are sugar pea pods. So they actually weathered pretty good. They were short enough. And you can see my pepper plants. Man, it beat the stuffings out of that pepper plant. Yeah, and it just shreds the leaves. This one weathered well. That one obviously took a pretty good pounding. The blueberries did great. I was glad to see that. Again, you see those diamond quarter-size holes, and these guys, some dead on them where they took a beating, but these will be okay. Yeah, man, that one just, he got pelted. And then some of them, it's crazy. They withstood a little better. So hopefully I'm the only one that got shredded. I heard from McAdams Farm, they didn't get the sleet. If they did, it was very little. But boy, this would have been called hell on earth. I think that's what I'll title it. Because there was a lot of hail on earth. So see you guys later from the great state of North Carolina.